Hello friends, welcome back. It's your good friend Habib. Today's video is the camera's not following me. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Sorry for the technical difficulties.
And the speech problem.
I have a speech impediment right now. Today's video, as you can see, I do not have VL Turbo behind me. I have AU Fairlane inline 6. It makes a redum, not a. But you know, I promise you guys, it will. It packs a good punch, you know? It's got a few bonies in the front. So, let's see what happens.
First off, praise to the Most High. Glory Yeshua, you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been sold out with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Throwing some camber plates into Quinny's Fairlane. Alrighty, list that bolt off. We get this top arm out. The luxuries of the hoist. Feel for you boys out there that fit these on the ground. Stuff that. Right, we're under the bonnet. Undoing them from the inside. That's where the camber mounts. Like that, and they're out. We'll get on the floor, swap them over. But they're for safety. Good. So this is a pretty quick process for these. 17, 15 mil. The stance boy. Instant street cred right there. Alright. So these mounts, they provide 6 degrees camber depending on your height. We've got a couple shins to add just to back them off. So bit of a minimum. And it's going to add a couple of these, have a little bit less camber. So the driver's side's a bit easier than the passenger side, as you can get to the AU on that side. When it's non-turbo, it's easy. If you have a turbo there, it's a bit more active.
Slip it in, bro.
We'll bolt it back up on the top. Right, so for this one, we've got coilovers coming. They haven't arrived yet. Normally for those guys that's just running a cheap setup for the track, you normally cut like one coil off the spring, keeps it captive, sits the perfect height with the camber plates. So unfortunately a lot of blokes keep doing it. They lower their car on like double the sales or something and then ask for camber plates, and then I need to sell them stock springs because it sits far too low. So the camber plates lower the car by almost an inch visually and actually, so yeah, gotta watch out for that. Solid. Twice the front done, jumped in the back, throwing some other springs for that lowness until coilovers come. Move it on. Move it on.
What are you doing, friend?
Just set that up. The bolts on. Get rid of that disgusting stockness. And for something that's slightly not stock. Chop spring. We have to wait for coilovers. Not spending money on new springs. Haven't lowered for like a week. Alright guys, so we're finished putting the camber plates in, lower springs in, and the space is on. So hopefully she's sitting fairly nice, stock wheels. Just giving a little bit of adjustment on the toe. When you camber it, it'll toe in hectic, so we'll go out for a cruise. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video on Quinny's Fairlane. We've got a few more things we've got to do to it. It's got a busted wheel bearing. We've got to sort that out. We haven't got the coilovers just yet, so hopefully they come soon. Give us a share, a like, subscribe. We'll catch us on Thursday with another video. We'll see you then.